or in between, if you are having a number of around 20, 30 nodes are there in network, there will be chances of confusion to assign the repeated number, like the 11th number is given in somewhere one branch and another branch will be providing the same number that will be of the 11th number only. That should not happen. If you are giving the same number for nodes, the activity preceding activities will be very difficult to join at single point and complete your networks, which will create unnecessary complication in your networks. Therefore, always the sequence of the node number should be given. That should be having one end to another end, left to right. The sequence should be in the logical manner. There should not be repetition of the numbers in the nodes. Next, fourth is dummy activities must be used only if it is necessary to reduce the complexity of networks. As the dummy activity, previously I have explained what is dummy activity, how you need to use the dummy activity for the completion of networks. And it is dummy, it will not have any resource as well as any duration. It will not use any resources, it will not be having any duration or time. Therefore, it will be like a zero activity. You should use this dummy activity wherever necessary, only there you need to use it. Unnecessarily, you should not introduce the dummy activities in the networks. That is creating a complication in your networks. Therefore, wherever it is necessary, there only you need to use the networks. Okay, or the dummy activities in the networks. And fifth rule is the network should have only one start event and one end event. For each and every project, one start event and one end event. The nodes are bubbles, starting ka ek or last ka ek. That may be in between hundreds of nodes may be there. But starting and end should be only one nodes. Activity should start from one node and end to the one node. In between, you can have n number of nodes that will come to end for completion of your project will the start of project and end of project. These two are the start and end of networks. मेरे को कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट करना है, इधर खत्म हो गया. These two are two nodes. Remaining, you might have n number of activities for execution of your project. That will be indicated in your network. But the starting and end point will be of one only. Some of the rules, in addition to rules, we'll be discussing how the networks will be prepared. Some conventions of network diagram are shown in the following diagrams. First diagram indicate a node continuous use to the next activities. Where if you are using B, if you are considering B activity, A will be producing activity and C will be succeeding activity. Activity B can be performed only after completion of A because the preceding activity should be completed. And C activity can be performed only after completion of B. Which indicate all activities are dependent on each other. Until and unless you complete A, you cannot go for B. Until and unless you complete B, you cannot go for C. That is the condition of networks. Like the simple structure is there, where foundation, superstructure, and finishing three components are there, three activities are there. Until and unless completion of the foundation, you cannot go for B, that is superstructure. Until and unless you complete the superstructure, you cannot go for the finishing activities. Okay, this dependency of activities will be there like this. And second, activity B and C can simultaneously start after completion of A. A is a preceding activity for B and C for both activities. B and C can be started at a time. Once A is completed, you can start both the activities. Okay, that will be the indication of the diversion of material activities from one node. We can start from the single point, two activities. Next. Yeah, two activities A and B. Until and unless you complete A and B, you cannot start with the C activity. Because preceding activity, both activities should be completed to start the next activity. In previous case, one activity was preceding and two activities were starting from one point. Two activities can be started at a single point. Here, until unless you complete two activities, you cannot start with the third activity. That is activity A, B must be completed before starting of activity C, which means for A activity, suppose I need 10 days, and for B activities, I need 15 days. Okay. C can be started only after the completion of both activities, which means how many days? Any answers? I need 10 days for completion of A activity, I need 15 days for completion of B activity. And next activity is C. When I can start the C activity? Options are 10 days, 15 days, and 25 days, and 5 days. Which one is correct answer? Simple MCQ. I'm not getting your voice.
25,
25. Post your
25,
answer
sir.
quickly. Amit, Yash, Apan, Nagendra is having 11 days. I don't know how he can start the C activity. Ritesh, Vivek, Vipin has left. Okay. Kanayalal, अरे गधे रूल नंबर्स नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ कन्हैयालाल वर्मा.
हाँ सर.
हाँ. अक्षय सालवी. अक्षय सालवी. तुम लोगों के रोल नंबर में नोट डाउन करता हूँ रुक रहे पहला ताकि तुम लोग बाद में ना मिले तो क्या करूँगा. अक्षय सालवी रोल नंबर 50. Am I right? अक्षय. अक्षय. प्रणय तांडल 61. I am not asking any rule numbers here. Sumit Malde 28. Benny Martin 29. है तुम लोगों को है. धनंजय रूल नंबर 7. विपिन 37. क्लास कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. विपिन ऑलरेडी नंबर पोस्ट करके निकल भी गया है. सुरेश पटारे 38. ओके. आई एम आस्किंग फॉर आंसर्स नॉट योर रूल नंबर्स. ये रूल नंबर्स तो अभी 10 दिन आगे ऐसे ही एब्सेंट रहेंगे. जिधर जिधर पॉसिबल है उधर मैं एब्सेंट करूंगी. कौन सा दिन करूंगा पता नहीं. बोलो. We have 15 upon 15. Upon has changed his answer from 25 to 15. क्यों?
सर 10 डेज एक एक्टिविटी लगेगा, 15 डेज एक. तो 15 डेज में सर वो 10 डेज तो इंक्लूड हो गया ना, तो टोटल 15 डेज रहेगा सर.
Okay, this is for 10 days. A activities of 10 days and B activities for 15 days. Okay. Now I need to start with C activity. These are starting from the same point. Okay. If I want to start the activity, which is not, answer is not Answers I have given as 10 days, 15 days, 25, and 15 minus 10 is 5. This type of answers will be there. Okay. Your answer is neither 5 because you are not deducting activities, neither 10. Why? Because it is the shortest time. Because A and B should complete to start the C activity. Okay. So 10 is very minimum time and B is taking 15 days, which means मेरे को एक एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करना है, मेरे को सुपर स्ट्रक्चर चालू करना है. Laterally, two activities should complete. One is construction of the foundation, and another is filling of earthwork. Both activities should complete. In the filling of earthwork in plinth, both activities should complete. Filling of the earthwork is taking 10 days and construction is taking 15 days. Okay. So I need 10 days completion time for filling of earthwork that can be easily completed within 10 days. I need extra 5 more days for completion of B activity. That is 15 days is required. Means I can start only the C activity, that is superstructure, after 15 days. We cannot start before 15 days. So 15 days is correct answer, not even 25 also. Why? Because 25 is summation. You are not starting activity one after the other. A is completed and then if you are starting with B activity, then it will take 25 days. Now A and B are laterally started. And A will take only 10 days and B will take 15 days. Therefore, next activity will start after the highest time out of these two. That is 15 days. 15 days is correct answer. Next, the D structure. Activity C must start only after completing the activity A and B. In this case, A and B activities are there, which should be completed to start the C activity. You cannot start A and B activity. Two arrows cannot be represented on the single node to node connection. Therefore, it has to be connected from the external node. But D activity can start only after completion of B. D activity चालू करना है तो B activity complete होना चाहिए और C activity चालू करना है तो A और B दोनों complete होना चाहिए. In such cases, the dummy activity is inserted. In such, for C, A and B both should complete, and for D, I need only the completion of B activity. Now again, I'll give the same example. For A, I need 10 days, and for completion of B activity, I need 15 days. How many days are required to start C activity and D activity? Tell me answer. For C, how many days, and for D, how many days? Answers are 10 for C and 15 for D, and 15 for C, 25 for D, then 10 and 10, 15 for C activity and for D activity also 15. This is for C and this is for D. This is the correct answer. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Tell me the answers. Post your answers. 15, 15, C and D, all 15, both 15. Okay. अक्षय अभी जिंदा हो गया रे? सोया था क्या अभी तक? कैवल्य अभी हाँ एक्सपेक्टेड है कैवल्य से. कैवल्य, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग योर रोल नंबर, आई एम आस्किंग फॉर आंसर्स. क्लास सुनना ही नहीं है ना, ऐसे लोगों को क्या कर सकते हैं। 15 and 15 is the correct answer. Hope everybody has understood now how to assign the durations. Now A activity needs 10 days and B activity needs 15 days. For C, A and B both should complete, which means this is same as the previous C component. It's the same as like this. Okay, how we solved in the C numerical, the same will be applicable at starting of C for present also. D is only predecessor is B activity, which is having duration of 15 days. So 15 for C and 15 for D is correct answer. Now I am having another activity E at this point. Okay, and C need another 10 days for completion, and D need another 5 days for completion. Then what will be the duration for E activity? Tell me the answer. Because this is most important practice in our all our numericals, all 40 to 48 marks. I am saying 40 to 48 marks numericals will be based on this type of networks only. So this is our basics. We should know clearly where to assign the numbers. C need 10 days and D need 5 days. Okay, then tell me what will be the time required for E. When we can start with the E activity. Post your answers. All are posting as Kunal is posting 10. Okay, correct. Others all are 25, 25, 25. Okay. 25 is correct answer. Why? Because 15 is predecessor for both C and D activity. 15 plus C activity is 10. That is 25. Okay. And 15 plus 5 is 20 here. The maximum duration you need to consider, that is 25 is correct answer for E. Here also same we had done 10 and 15 were there. The maximum we have considered as 15 over here. And here 25 and 20 is there, in which the maximum is 25, that you have to consider for next activity. Okay. Your voice is not clear. Who was talking? Otherwise, post in the chat box. Okay. Next will be the network rules for preparing the networks, or the procedure for preparing the networks by Fulkerson's rules. These are the step-by-step procedures is given for preparing the networks. Please note down, and you can use this method for preparing any networks. Okay. Procedure for numbering the event using Fulkerson's rules. In previous all the examples, we are not having any numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering we have to give actually. That will start here. Okay. Number 1, first step is the number starts our initial event always will be 1. Always it has to start from 1, or like this 1. It has to start. Second step, from event 1, strike off all outgoing activities. This would have made one or more events as initial events. Event which does not have incoming activities, number that event as 2. Yeah. if I'm writing as starting event as 1 and I'm having 1, 2, 3 like this activities again going. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, like this it goes. Number of bubbles. Now I need to give number 2 for such activity in which the other activities are not joining. Like if suppose for this activity I am giving as 2 number, it should not join like this again. It should not be there. Therefore, always you should assign a number in the next circle that where the other activities are not joining. Like number 2, number 3, and if all are same level, all are in the same level, which are not having any incoming activities, then you can give 2, 3, 4 sequentially. That will look good for further process. So it should not have next coming activities. Then you can give sequence wise number. If it is having sequence, if it is having next activities to coming and joining to this activities, then you need to give preference to where the activities are not joining to the activities. This notes. Repeat step 2 for event 2, event 3 till the end of the project. Must have highest number at the end. Now, if I am giving joining of these two is another activity and joining this one is another activity. Next is I can give as 5. This can be given as 6. Next activity, both will joining to 1 point. That can be given as 7. The starting point is 1 and last point is 7. The lowest should be start point, highest should be end point. Okay. This should be of the continuous activity numbering. Okay. Next, we'll have an example. Now we have discussed what is the rules, regulations for preparing the networks, how basics are having the network analysis. Now we'll prepare one network with respect to our given data. Where draw the network for house construction project. The sequence of activities with their preceding the predecessors are given in the table below. The sequence of activities for the house construction are activities are A, B, C, D, E, F. There are total of 6 activities. For that, predecessors are given here in the 4th column as for A activity, there is no predecessor, which means A is the starting point. For B, A is the predecessor. Until unless you complete A, you cannot start with the B. And B is predecessor for C and D, which means until and unless you complete the B activity, you cannot start with the C and D, which means from B activity, if this is B activity, C and D are starting from same point. This is C, this is D, which means like this. Both activities are having same predecessor mean there are 2 activities starting from the single node. Next, until unless you complete C activity, you cannot start with E activity. Until unless you complete F activity, you cannot start with D activity. These are the conditions for preparing the network. Next, we are giving numbering as 1 to 2 for A. That is for A is 1 arrow. Okay. Starting will be given with number 1 and second node, that is head node, will be given as 2 number. And B will be having 2 to 3, C will be having 3 to 4, and D will be having 3 to 5, 4 to 6, and 5 to 6. Here lowest number is 1 and highest number is 6. Means 1 will be there and last number will be of 6. How will be getting the value that will be given. What do you mean by A activity? A activity is preparation of house plan. पहला मेरे को house plan ready करना है. Second activity is construction. Reconstruct the house. Next C activity is fix the door and windows. And D activity is wiring the house. Fixing the door as well as wiring of the house can be done simultaneously. Therefore, having the same predecessors. Next is paint the house. Next to polish the doors. After paint, the polishing can be done because polishing will be done at the last. If you are doing the painting at that case, there will be some fall of paint on the doors also, or on the floors also, or on the windows also. Therefore, it looks odd if you are doing painting and polishing at the starting. At what the bad looking paint is fallen on the doors, windows, that has to be polished. Therefore, polishing is kept at the last. And durations are given as for preparation of plan, I need 4 days. Construction of house, 58 days. Fixing of doors, wiring takes 2 days, and paint takes 1 day, and polishing takes 1 day. This approximate durations are given, not exactly the same durations will be required for execution of a project. This just an example will be giving the some of the durations. Now prepare a network with respect to given details. This much will be given. This is an example where all the details are given in this one at the initial stage. In upcoming numericals, only the second column will be given for preparation of network. By looking at second column only, you can prepare the network. Or it may be given with first and fourth column. You need first and fourth column either, or the second column alone for preparing the network. Now you can prepare the network from your all previous studies. हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया कि कैसे नेटवर्क बनाना है, what all the dummy activities, topics we have discussed.
Hello.
With respect to all this discussion, you can prepare the network. Yes.
Sir, can you repeat for wiring the house?
Can you ask again?
Sir, can you repeat for wiring the house? Sir, उसका जो 3 and 5 सर उसमें लिखा है ना ब्रैकेट में, सर उसको कैसे लिंक किए, मतलब वो समझा नहीं मुझे.
The numbering one.
Yes, sir.
Numbering start. First you prepare the network. Numbering will give afterwards. Okay?
नहीं सर, इसके नीचे स्क्रॉल करो ना, नीचे वाला जो टेबल बताया ना आपने अभी. हाँ सर, इसमें जो टेबल, हाँ सर, टेबल में जो डी इवेंट है ना, डी एक्टिविटी.
ओके.
हाँ सर, उसमें 3 and 5 है सर. वो 3 क्यों है, मतलब वो समझा नहीं. 3 और 5 दोनों.
Okay. 3 is common. Why? Because the predecessor B is common. The node remains same. Now my network is having A having no predecessor, which means starting point. A is the starting point. A activity will be of starting point, which is having 2 nodes. This is A activity. Always activities will be mentioned on the arrows. Keep that in your mind. And number can be given as 1 to 2. That is 1 and 2. Okay. B activity is 2 to 3, which means B activity can start only after completion of A. Predecessor is A. Therefore, B activity can be having like this. This is B activity. Okay. And C and D activity is having same predecessor. You can see here. After completion of B, you can start with C and D both simultaneously. This can be written with the 3. Okay. For B, activity naming is 2 and 3. And C and D will be common from the C third point. That is, will be having 2 activities like this. 3 to 4 and 3 to 5. That is C and D activity. This can be written as 4. And this can be written as 5. This is C and this is D. Like this, you need to continue the next network. Complete the network from your end. Half of the network I have done. E and F. 2 activities are remaining. You need to join to the same point because 6 is the highest point. You can see over here. 6 is the highest point. For that, you need to join the activities. That can be done as 4 and 5 is done. Only one highest number is remaining, that is 6. Next, you can give as 6. This will be of F activity. This can be given as E activity. 4 to 6 is E, 5 to 6 is F, which means starting is 1 point and ending is 1 point. All our network rules are followed or not, that will verify. A to B is one activity. Until and unless you complete the A activity, you cannot start with B activity. Therefore, it will start from 2 now node, and C and D can be started simultaneously, which is given in our numerical. Okay. Therefore, after completion of B, C and D can be simultaneously started and in diversion from C. From third point, there will be 2 diversions. 4 and 5 nodes will be there, and F and E activities can merge to 1 point because it is the end point. Okay, it is the end point, which is joining at the last highest number. You cannot write the last number as 2. You cannot keep the network open. Like if I am writing like this one network and I am writing like this another network, this is, I can write as 6 and this is 7. This is F and this is E. You cannot keep the network like this open. This is open. 6 and 7, 2 activities are there. There is no end event. Always all activities completing at the last will be merged to only 1. And this will be taken as 6 number only. There should not be open network. That you keep in your mind. Always it should close. Okay? Hope everybody has understood this one. The network will be like this. This network, what I had drawn here, if you are writing it systematically, that looks like this. Activity A is preparation of plan. Activity B is construction of house. Activity C is fixing of door and wiring in the house. Activity E is painting the house, and F is polishing the doors, which is depends upon the wiring. Once wiring is done, polishing can be done. Okay, this is how network should be prepared and should have starting point 1 and end point 1. There should not be 2 end points or 2 starting points. It should have a common points. Okay, and the network is explained as the network diagram in the figure shows the procedure of interrelationship between the activities. Activity A, that is preparation of house plan, has started event 1 as well as ending at the event 2. And activity B, that is construction of house, will begin once your preparation of plan is done, that is second day, and ends on the third node. The activity B cannot start until activity A has been completed, because until and unless your preparation of plan is done, you cannot go for construction of house. That is B activity. But they can be prepared simultaneously. Similarly, activity E and F can be start only after completion of activity C and D respectively. E can be started only after completion of C and F can be started after completion of D. That is given in the numerical only. That is what you follow. Both activity E and F finish on the 6th node. Okay. Next, numerical. One more numerical you need to track. Consider project given in the table. Construct a network diagram. sequence of activities of building are given in the table. That is, activity A is purchase of land, which is having no predecessor. Activity B, preparation of building plan, which is also not having any predecessor. Activity C, level or clean the land. Once you buy the land, then only you can start with the cleaning and all. Therefore, the predecessor is A activity. And registration and getting the approval, that is B activity, that can start only after A and B, which is preparation of building plan and the land purchase. Once these two are done, then only you can go for the registration of building construction. Okay. And next E activity, construction of building, that can start only after the leveling of ground. So C should be completed for that. Next F activity, painting of building. For that, the D activity is predecessor. That is registration and getting the approval. Then only you can go for. It should be E. Then only you can go for F. But it is given like D. However, it is given that you write and follow the networks. Okay. Don't apply the logic because here the activities are given by the question papers. That only will be following here. Okay. When you are actually executing, the painting is depends upon construction of building. It means for F, E should be predecessor. But now for numerical purpose, solving the numerical purpose as it is given in the question paper, that only will be following. For this, D will be predecessor. Okay. Now prepare a network for this details. For A, there is no predecessor. For B, there is no predecessor. For C, A is a predecessor. For D, A and B. For E, C. And for F, D will be predecessor. In previous numerical, the duration and all is given. But now only will be preparing the networks, the activity, critical path calculation and all will be doing later. First, we will practice some of the numerical for preparation of networks only. Then we will go for calculation parts. Okay. First, we'll try for some of the numericals with only the network preparation. Okay. Prepare network for this.
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो
सर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में डमी एक्टिविटी आएगी ना?
फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में
सर उसमें डमी आएगा ना, 4 के बाद डायरेक्ट 6 है।
नो नीड because 4 is connecting to 6. Here it is given 4 is connecting to 6 and 5 is also connecting to 6. It is directly given. So 4 is connecting to 6 and 5 is connecting to 6. 4 is not depends upon 5 or 5 is not depends upon 4. Here in between there is no 4 and 5 connections. 4 to 5 any connection is given in this one. See, 4 to 5 connection is not at all given, which is E to D is E to F connection is not at all given. अगर F का प्रेडेसर E होता है तब कनेक्शन आता है या दोनों का सेम प्रेडेसर है. In such cases you can go for the dummy activity, but in this case there is no dummy activities required. Dummy activity can be inserted in your network only if it is necessary. Unnecessarily don't insert the dummy activities. Okay. Now prepare network for this one. Everyone prepare network for this. I'll check how many of you have prepared the network for this in the next class. Okay. Now take down the screenshot of this one or note down the values of this one. Only first and last column if you are noting it down, that's enough for preparing the network. A and B activities will be having no predecessors, which means having two different activity lines from the starting point. Means there will be two starting points. the F will be the ending point. Numbering you have to give on your own. That will be feeling how the numbering has to be given in this one. You try to prepare the network. Will be come for next class. Okay. Now can post for number. Apart from 50, 28, 61, 29, roll number 7, 38, 45, and 37. No need of posting. Harshal का रोल नंबर क्या है?
16 sir. Hello sir.
हाँ हर्षल
16 sir roll number.
हिंदी रखा है क्या?
हाँ सर.
तो इंग्लिश कन्वर्ट करके डाल. ये MIS में जाता है ऑटोमेटिक. बाद में तेरा डाटा तो एब्सेंट ही गिरेगा.